If you're working with teams in Asana, sometimes you'll want to keep certain projects visible only to the people who really need access. Whether it's for sensitive information or simply keeping things organized, making a project private is the way to go. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step. First, open Asana in your browser and log in with your account. Enter your email, click Continue, and then type in your password to access your workspace. Once you're in, head to your dashboard where all your projects are listed. Find the project you want to make private and click on it to open. Here's a quick tip. Keeping your project names clear and specific makes them much easier to locate, especially if you manage multiple projects at once. With your project open, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Share button. This will open up the project's sharing settings, which is where you control who can see and edit the project. Inside the sharing settings, you'll notice a drop-down menu under the Team or Workspace section. Click on that menu and you'll see different access options. Select Private to Members. By choosing this option, only the people you specifically invite to the project will be able to view or edit it. And that's it. Your project is now private. From here, you can manage who gets access by adding or removing members as needed. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to these settings at any time and adjust them. Making your project private is a small step, but it can make a big difference in keeping your work secure and focused. It ensures only the right people have access to the right information, which keeps your workflow clean and confidential. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out my other tutorials for more Asana tips and productivity hacks.